How to send live location on WhatsApp. Before you try to send your location, simply make sure that your location of your device is turned on by going to the navigation bar and turning the location on by pressing on the location. Now once your location is turned on, simply open your WhatsApp. Now tap on the chat that you want to share your live location to and tap on the message section, then tap on the select media files, and there you will have it gallery, camera and location option at the top with the location emoji. Tap on the location. And now here you have two features called send your current location or share live location. If you want to share live location, simply press on live location and tap on continue. Then select for how long you want to stay in the live location. It could be for 15 minutes, 1 hour and 8 hours. And if you want to add comments, simply tap on comments. You can add anything like hey and tap on share. And there you have it. You can live track it, and from here your location will be shared live. That is your current and precise location. And if you want to stop at any time, simply tap on stop sharing. And if you want to see the duration, it will show that this will be live until 4:57 a.m. And that's it, guys. This way you'll be easily able to share your live location on WhatsApp. Like and subscribe to the channel.